Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Valentine's Day is coming so fast. I just cannot believe how quick Valentine's Day is going to be here. Tina put together a collab, Tina from Tina's Reborns, and asked us to make a Valentine's Day dress for our Smart Dolls. She was kind enough to give everybody a pattern. The pattern is for pair, and I only have one pair, but I have, let's just use the word many, Smart Dolls in classic size. So I wanted to do a dress in the classic size. I made this pattern piecing together, well, I actually made the sleeves, and the collar I kind of made. Actually, I did make the collar. Anyway, I made this for my Monday doll, and I wanted to make this Valentine's dress a little bit longer. The pattern came from, or the bodice pattern, the dress pattern, came from a book. Oh gosh, do you know the name of that book? It's for porcelain dolls, mostly.
I do not.
The patterns. I'll have to look that up and put it in the description. But then I made sleeves, and I used a collar and redid it to come up with this little outfit. The making it longer kind of flared it out. It is too wide. I'd like to take it in a little bit, my pattern, and I'm going to, before I offer it. I added a charm at the collar. Let's see if we can get that laying right. I sewed it on, so it's kind of, I should have sewed it looser. But I added a little silver charm at the collar, and I'm quite pleased with it, and I want to thank Tina and all the other participants. Yetta at Famille de Toy, Kenny at Playful Reborns, Irene at Irene Huff's Doll Space, Dory at Dory's Dollies, Katie at Katie and Her Dolls, and Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse. For joining in on this collab, please go by and visit everyone's channel. I'll have those listed in the description, and you can just go from one to another. You're going to see several types of Valentine's Day dresses on Smart Dolls today. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
To everybody.
Yeah, to each and every channel.